How to mute calls on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute calls on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here. So this is where we can check if our Instagram is up to date. If you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and just type in Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So to know if our Instagram is currently updated, if this button right here says open, that means that your Instagram is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to mute calls from a specific person, on Instagram. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, just head on and open Instagram over here. And make sure that you are currently at your home page. If you're from your profile page, just tap on this home icon at the bottom left-hand corner. And just click on this messenger icon at the top right corner so we can see our messages or the conversations we have with specific profile. So for example, I want to mute calls with this specific Instagram user over here. Just tap on that specific conversation and click on their name over here, and you should see these options right here. So under the notification section, you have the option that says mute call notifications. So just click on this toggle button right here and that should turn blue. And that is how you can basically mute calls on Instagram, because that will enabling this option will mute the call notifications from this specific user. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.